Let's go on Amazon. This is the review unboxing of the RYOBI P262. I already have battery, so let's do it. Bear with me. Okay. Brushless. Oops. God dang it. There you go. It's brushless. Feels good. Alright. Half an inch. Okay, let's try it with the battery. Like I said, I already had the battery. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay. Now that's on automatic. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, that's automatic. So 1, 2, 3 speeds plus automatic. All right. Well, I'll test it in a little bit. Thank you.
I just got it. Quality seems real nice. I'm familiar with the RYOBI stuff because I have a whole bag of their tools right there. So we'll see what happens. I'm sure it's going to work fine. My batteries fit because I have all the one tools. So we're good to go. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I look forward to doing business with you again in the future.
Let's go riding.